We've used the word rootkit a few times. A rootkit is something that sits between the operating system and the applications, and it changes the way the operating system works to give the wrong answers or different answers or modified answers or behaviors to the programs that are interfacing with the operating system. This makes rootkits very powerful. The operating system is intended to be safe, to provide safety to different applications, and if a rootkit modifies that, it can intentionally break the safety guarantees that the operating system is meant to provide. And in adapting the operating system, it can do all sorts of things. It gets to sit between applications and the kernel so that it can change how keystrokes are reported, or network connections, or it can just turn off encryption of data. It can change the operating system to lie to system tools. Like if you try to list all files on the file system, then the rootkit might monitor the communication with the file system and quietly change the output to remove files that it doesn't want the user to see, such as files that start $sys. If you wanted to get rid of these rootkits, then you might hope to do that by reinstalling the operating system. After all, you can't trust the operating system itself to let you perform the actions to remove it. Even then, though, that might not be enough if the rootkit changes the bootloader. The bootloader is a piece of software that uses a very primitive and generic interface to load different sorts of operating systems. And so if a rootkit changes the bootloader to reinstall the rootkit every time you load an operating system, then just reinstalling the operating system won't be enough. You really have to wipe the disk, or at least reinstall the bootloader as well.